Assalamu alaikum. I believe everyone is doing really well. In this video, I would like to I would like to explain what I can see right in front of me, and I would like to describe some words that we can see from this video. Uh, let's get started. Look at the sky today. The sky is blue. There is nothing. The cleanest thing ever. We can see some pigeons are flying. Oh, look at the pigeons. And just look at the sky. The cleanest thing ever. How innocent the creation of the Lord. The creation of the Almighty. Did you see? How beautiful. Here are some pigeons. 3 pigeons are sitting quietly. What are these things? Look at the pigeons. Okay? There are plenty of pigeons out there. Hello. Oh my god. Okay, we are afraid. I do not want to make them frightened. Okay? How beautiful. Alright. I'm an unfamiliar person for them. That's why they are quite afraid. Okay? They are thinking that I will harm them. No, I won't. Oh. This is a house, right? And there's some paddy, and this paddy are kept under the sun. All right, these are paddy, and as you can see that this scenery is quite beautiful, and there is a little piece of land where different types of vegetables are grown, and I don't know what are these vegetables, since I'm not expert in recognizing vegetables. And there is a little pond. There is a little pond right next to it. I would like to show you another exquisite thing, and that is this. This is a pineapple tree, and there is already a pineapple. Okay. I did not see much these types of things that much in my life so far. When I used to live in village around 20 years ago, at that time I saw, but this scenery I can see after so many years. And as you can see that this is a pond. The water is quite clean, but still there are some leaves on the pond water. The place is quite peaceful, windy, and so calm. If you come here with a load of stress, and after that if you stand up here, you will feel calm and you will be comfortable, I believe. We can see there are some things like sticks floating on the pond water. These are bamboos. Okay, these are bamboos. Bamboos are the popular food or favorite food for panda. These are bamboos, and there are some ducks. I'm not sure whether you can see those ducks or not. There are some ducks, and these ducks are white and black in color, and I always love to stay in this type of place where people will not be that much, the number of people will be very less, and where I can walk here and there without any obstacle, without any withstand. So this is such a place where I can experience different types of things. I mean, where I can experience emptiness and calmness. Look at the sky. The sky is also very, very beautiful, I'm telling you. As long as you are not coming here, you will not realize, or you will not feel the real exquisiteness or real beauty of this place. And what is this? This is a little pot, tree pot. I don't know what tree is this. So yeah, I really love this place. I always want to come here. I always feel like to come here. So we have learned some vocabularies out of this video. One of the vocabularies that we learned is paddy. Okay, these are paddy. I think this is the previous stage of rice. We can get rice out of this paddy, and we also learned the name of this thing. These things are floating on the pond water, and these are called bamboos, as I said. And what is this? And there is another thing that we saw, which I loved a lot. It's called pineapple. There is a pineapple tree, and yeah, look.